Okay, we're going to do level 1 of area and perimeter. So I'm just going to do the left side of this. You can work on the right side when you've got that. So here, this is a triangle. We know it's a triangle, of course, because it has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. The area of triangle is going to be base times height divided by 2. So the base is your side to side. So in other words, our base is going to be 6. Our height is going to be 8, and we're going to be divided by 2. So it's 6 times 8 divided by 2. 6 times 8 is 48, and 48 divided by 2 is 24. So the area is 24, and because it's area, it's units squared. Perimeter is going to be the sum of all sides. So we're just going to add up the sides. So it'll be 6 plus 10 plus 8. 6 plus 10 is 16, plus 8 is 24. 24 units. Don't pay too much attention to these being the same number. It doesn't really mean anything. It just happens sometimes. Alright, this next one, as we can see, if you look at the opposite sides, they are parallel and they're congruent. So if this side is 13, then this side is 13. And if this side is 24, then this side is 24. And also you might notice that opposite angles are congruent. This is called a parallelogram. Alright, the area of a parallelogram is base times height. So it's important to recognize that the base is going to be your side-to-side measurement, so that's going to be 24, and your height is going to be your up and down, or 5. So basically what we have is 24 times 5. 24 times 5 is 120, so it's 120 units squared. The perimeter is going to be the sum of all sides. The thing is, this 5 is not a side, so it doesn't actually count. What we have is 24 plus 13 plus 24 plus 13. 24 plus 13 is 37, plus 24 is 61, plus 13 is 74. And it's 74 units because perimeter is a distance, so it's first degree. Alright, next one over, we see we have a triangle. And the area is going to be base times height divided by 2. In this case, the base is 21 times the height, which is 12, divided by 2. 21 times 12 is 252. 252 divided by 2 is 126. If you think I did that fast, let me show you what I did. I did 2 times 12, which is 24. And since this is not 2 but 20, it's 240. Plus 1 times 12, which is 12. 240 plus 12 is 252. That's how you can do math like that really quickly. You just multiply the first term, then the second term, you add them together, and you've got it. So anyway, 252 divided by 2 is 126. It's 126 units squared. And the perimeter will be all 3 sides added together. So it'll be 21 plus 13 plus 20. 21 plus 13 is 34. Plus 20 is 54, and it's units, not units squared, because perimeter, again, is a distance. Okay, last one we've got here. Again, we have opposite angles being congruent, so this one looks like it's going to be a parallelogram. The area is going to be base times height. Let's try to figure out which one's the base. Well, the base is going to be your side to side. So in this case, the base is not 5 and it's not 20, it's 4. So it's going to be 4 times the height, which is your up and down, so that'll be 20. 4 times 20 is 80, so the area will be 80 units squared. And the perimeter is the sum of all sides. The 4 is not a side, the 4 is just the base. So the side length is going to be this 5. This, of course, will be 20 because opposite sides are congruent, and this, of course, will be 5 because, again, opposite sides are congruent. So what we have is 20 plus 5 plus 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5 is 25, plus 20 is 45, plus 5 is 50. So it's 50 units. Okay, that's half the worksheet. The next video will be level 2, so just, follow along and practice.